Allies in adversity, understanding support during tough times. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting and meaningful phrase, allies in adversity. This expression holds a lot of weight and emotion, and understanding it can add a rich layer to your English vocabulary. Whether you're learning English as a second language or just expanding your linguistic horizons, grasping the nuances of such phrases can be incredibly rewarding. Let's explore together what it means to have allies in adversity, and how this concept plays out in real life and literature. Allies in adversity is composed of two key words, allies and adversity. An ally is a friend, a supporter, or someone who is on your side, especially in times of trouble. Adversity, on the other hand, refers to difficulties, hardships, or misfortunes. When we talk about allies in adversity, we're referring to those special individuals who stand by us, support us, and help us navigate through the toughest times in our lives. Having allies in adversity is crucial for several reasons. First and foremost, it reminds us that we are not alone. During challenging periods, the presence of a supportive friend or family member can make a significant difference in our ability to cope and recover. These allies provide emotional support, practical help, and sometimes just a listening ear when we need it the most. Moreover, allies in adversity often help us see situations from different perspectives, offering advice and solutions we might not have considered. Their support can be a beacon of hope, guiding us towards resilience and recovery. The concept of allies in adversity is a common theme in literature and real life. In stories, these allies are often depicted as characters who provide crucial support during pivotal moments, helping the protagonist overcome obstacles and emerge stronger. In real life, allies in adversity can be friends who call to check up on us during a difficult period, family members who provide a shoulder to cry on, or even communities and groups that offer support to those in need. These relationships are testament to the human spirit's capacity for compassion and solidarity. Understanding the phrase, allies in adversity, enriches our comprehension of the English language and human relationships. It's a beautiful reminder of the strength found in unity and the importance of supporting one another through thick and thin. We hope this video has shed light on the significance of this expression and inspires you to be an ally to others in their time of need. Thank you for watching, and remember, no matter what challenges you face, you're never alone. Stay strong, stay connected, and see you in our next video.